Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be trying out the brand Insert Name Here. They sell a bunch of different hair on their website, so I decided to buy 3 different hairstyles today, and we're gonna try on camera, and I'll let you know if it's worth your hard-earned coin.
I mean, where the f should I really even start?
I was looking for ponytail hair extensions and just different types of hair that I can change up my look, and I stumbled across this brand called Insert Name Here. So their name sounds really funky, so I was like, all right, I gotta see what's the 411 on this brand, what's up. I've seen a lot of influencers wearing this hair as well, so I was like, all right, there's gotta be some quality here, right? I got options, flavors, everything. I got 3 different ones to try on camera with you today, and we're gonna just dive the in because I'm ready to see what this hair is going to be like. I did get 2 ponytail extensions, and then I got a bangs extension. So we're gonna do the ponytails first, and then I'll do the bangs after the ponytails. So I think we're gonna start with the Shayla hair. This is what I'm working with right now. It comes in this cool little paper packaging that is 100% recyclable. So kudos to you, Insert Name Here, for thinking of the environment. That's really awesome. It has a cute loading sign. This is Shayla. This is what it comes in. It says everyone wants a pony right here on the front. That's so cute. And in the back it has their handle, which I will leave on the screen as well as linked down below if you guys want to shop after you see this video. It says, if you open me, I'm yours forever. Can you guys see that? It was zip tie blocking it. Someone explain to me how the I'm supposed to cut this, because it's so small. Unless you have like really thin scissors, how are your scissors getting in here? I don't understand. I'm going to open up this baby. It's a cute little receipt that comes with it, and it says receipt number, dream hair, we def care, date, best day ever, female founder 2, price lots of coffee, cruelty free 1, price 0, and confidence boost priceless. And they gave me 10% off my next purchase, and I can share it with a friend. It's not my discount code. I don't get any money from this. I'm not affiliated. I bought this with my own money, so I'll just leave the discount code in case anybody wants to purchase it from the website. It comes with a cute little satin scrunchie. This lovely, long, curly, luscious girl is Shayla. Not even on my head yet, and I'm already in love. I love this wave pattern. It feels so soft. I think she's synthetic. I wish they would say it on like the packaging on the outside if it's synthetic or not. No, they say it on the website. It also comes with 2 bobby pins, I assume, to help clip the hair in. You would use this part to wrap around your ponytail, and then to hide the Velcro, you would use this piece right here and you would wrap it around and create a nice little ponytail. I'm gonna put this girl on. We're gonna see exactly how it looks. We also have a clip that you can use to secure into a ponytail. I'm going to take this clip, I'm going to put all of this hair back here, and I'm gonna secure this clip into my ponytail. And I don't have much hair, so like, I'm gonna secure it into that little shit. And then I'm just going to lift up my hair and Shayla's hair, which is, it's a lot. Wrap the Velcro around the base of the ponytail. Having a little trouble because I have like barely any hair, and this clip isn't really like snapping in place or anything. It's just there to kind of hold, but it's not holding onto anything because there's nothing to hold on to in my hair. We're gonna try this. 3rd time's the charm, right? As you can see, I'm having a huge problem having it stay on my head, but we're gonna keep trying, okay? We're gonna get this. We're gonna get this, girl. After 6 tries, I got the hair to work. I think because I have such little hair, it was not grabbing onto anything. It's super heavy, and I can feel it pulling on my hair. Cons, the packaging, that zip tie was a no-go for me. The wrapping around wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. I thought because of the Velcro and everything it'd be easy, but it kept getting stuck to my actual hair, pulling it out. I had to redo my pony, and then it didn't come out the way I wanted it to. It took me 6 tries to actually get this pony on, but she is wow. I'm gonna stand up this chica right now. She is all the way down here. This is to the side. I love the hair. I love the way it looks on my scalp. I actually feel like it's a little bit lighter than my actual natural color, but it doesn't really look like it too much. I don't know if in camera it's showing a different color, but for me right now it looks the same. Obviously I still have some blonde pieces, so I'm trying to keep those covered because it would look really funky. She got body. She's wavy, she got body, she got lift, she got everything. The next hair hair that I have is the Ariana. So this is supposed to resemble the hair that Ariana had in a Vogue video. And what I like about this is it actually came with a cute little card that says no bad hair days. And it also came with what feels like kind of like a silk material, I guess, where you can store the wig. I wish that the Shayla one came with this one as well, because I feel like the Shayla one will get tangled more easily. And I feel like it needs something like this. Maybe I can stick both of them in here. They have little tips and tricks on the back, and one of them says style your own hair before applying for the best blend. For thinner hair, try putting your hair in a bun. Make sure your ponytail is secured firmly with a hair tie before applying. If you experience any slipping, need to upgrade your hair tie. Pre-brush your pony before and after each wear. Lay on a flat surface and brush from the bottom working upwards. Ponies come pre-styled. For curly styles, you can brush them out to soften the curls, and then some of them have added texture for volume. You can heat style up to 400 degrees, but if you straighten them, you will permanently lose the original texture and style. Always store in your satin insert name here bag. This is their most famous ponytail that I saw. It was kind of the one that inspired me to buy from them in the first place. Who doesn't want long Ariana hair, which is what I'm pulling out right here. I can't even have all of the hair in the shot. This is the ponytail. It has like a texture to it. It has the two bobby pins at the top right here. Hopefully, because I practiced with the Shayla, I'm able to nail this one on. So let's hope here. Fingers crossed. It has a little comb right here, so I'm going to take this. This is what she looks like. I think I would definitely put my hair in a bun like they suggested, just to hide the blonde. This one doesn't hide my blonde like the Shayla one did. I can't even show you. This hair goes all the way down. Woo! Do you guys see this? Hello, Ariana. Hi. Goes up to my butt. This one was easier to wrap around than the Shayla one. It's heavy. This is heavy, heavy, heavy. She's not for the tender-headed. You're gonna need some real reinforcements for this hair, because I can feel it pulling my hair back. My poor edges, like I barely have hair as is because my hair is thinning. I can wrap this around my neck. It doesn't feel as soft as Shayla, I will say, and it tangles up hella quick. I am trying to detangle with my fingers, and I feel like there's some slight shedding going on. These are the bangs that I ordered. It comes with a card as well. That's all it really came with, and it comes in this cute little box. It has that same sticker that says, if you open me, I'm yours forever. I don't know if that's supposed to mean can't return it. Fringes in less than 30 seconds, you can have cute shaggy bangs without the commitment of chopping your locks. Yes, honey, because I'm not chopping these hair. Our Zooey bangs are made with 100% human Remy hair that is hand tied, strand by strand, for the most natural looking French. Clips in easily with 3 snaps. Try a plan with a ponytail or bun for an easy, effortless look. Before your first application, flat iron your bangs, as they may have flattened, creased a bit in transit. You can feel free to cut them or trim them. When you pair them with curl hair, curl the feathered longer pieces as well for a seamless blend. Shampoo only with sulfate-free shampoo to preserve the hair. These are the bangs. It comes with longer fringes on the side, so it can blend in easier with the hair, and then it comes with a shorter fringe in the front. On the inside there are 3 clips, and it's also a lace, so yeah, it does look really, really, really realistic. I wonder if you can bleach this. So curious as to how this is gonna look on me. You guys like this? Does it look cute? These are the bangs. I definitely need to cut them a little bit. My final thoughts on the insert name here hair that I purchased. Out of all 3, I will say that my favorite is Shayla, just because I love the texture and I love the way it looks. Second would obviously be the Ariana. I do really love the length. I'm experiencing a lot of shedding with this one. And then the Zooey bangs are third. I just don't know how I feel about them. I don't know if I just have to get used to them, style them a little bit better. I'm not sure. Another thing I'm not crazy about is how heavy these ponytail extensions are. I have really thin hair and my hair is constantly shedding. I'm going through something right now with my hair. If you watch my other videos, you'll know that I am experiencing hair loss and thinning hair. I'll leave a link to my hair playlist so you guys can check out some videos over there. I'm trying to find different ways to style my hair that don't require any heat. I do like having this option, but I'm not a fan of how heavy it feels, and I feel like it's really pulling on my hair. I think installing a wig but the lace front and the glue, I think that's difficult. I think this is way easier than that. So if you're at home and you want to add some pep into your step with this hair, you want to go out and show out, I think this hair is actually really nice to do so. And I think once you start to apply it more often, you'll get used to it. And they also have wigs. I might get them for a future video. So if you guys want to see me review their wigs, let me know in the comments down below. So do I think you should spend your hard-earned coin? Yes or no? Yes, if you think you're going to actually wear ponytail extensions, if you think that that's something that you would do. If you're not, then don't do it, girl. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like videos like this, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this hair. If you think I should try out more hair from that brand. If you think that you are going to go out and get some of this hair, let me know. Follow me on my social medias. I will leave them somewhere on the screen. I'll post more about me wearing this hair and the longevity and all that on there. Subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever your girl drops another video. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video, for watching any of my videos, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.